have caused devastating floods and landslides across northeastern states, resulting in at least 32 deaths and affecting more than 60,000 people. This happened in the last 2 days itself. Now, the states that are most affected include Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Manipur and Nagaland. First, let's get you an update from the state of Assam, from where my colleague Anamika is reporting. What we know so far is that 9 rain-related deaths have been reported, including 5 in Guwahati due to a landslide in the Bonda area. 2 deaths have been reported in Lakhimpur district following flooding from excess water that was released by the Ranga Nadi Dam. Over 60,000 people have been affected across 12 districts, with significant damage caused to homes and infrastructure. Guwahati and Tezpur also experienced record-breaking rainfall for the month of May, leading to urban flooding and also closure of schools and offices. Anamika, where are you? And if you could also get us a live ground report from where you are reporting.
Yes, you can see the scenario across the northeast. 32 people have lost their lives, and if you talk about Assam, that 9 people have lost their life. And presently I'm in Rukmani area. This is situated in Guwahati itself, in the hardcore of the city itself. But you can see the situation there. You can see how people are facing problem. Commuters are facing problem. It's back-to-back 3 days. It's raining and water has been locked in several parts of Guwahati itself. And IMD also have reported that continuously 2 days there will be still raining will be there, but as of now, from this morning it was not raining, but we can't say as because IMD already predicted that rain will be there. But talking about this particular this particular flood situation and landslide triggered by relentless heavy rainfall, with over 78,000 residents affected across 17 districts. And even talking about the several flood hit Agartala, claiming 1 life. Over 14,000 tourists stranded in North Sikkim as Tista River destroyed key bridges. And talking about this particular area, Rukmini Gaon, you can see how the lady has been stuck over here and how she is facing problem in this particular area. I will try to talk to some of the natives over here, as because yesterday also we have shown you that these are the such areas where water has been locked. भैया आपसे थोड़ा बात करने की कोशिश करेंगे. भैया थोड़ा बाहर आएंगे. भैया अगर थोड़ा बाहर आएंगे, थोड़ा अगर आएंगे, we will try to talk to the people over here. अब भैया कल से 2 दिन से लगातार बारिश हो रहा है, यहाँ पे पूरा पानी भर गया है. आपकी दुकान में भी पानी भर के दिखाई दे रहा था. क्या मतलब कैसा हाल है अभी?
दुकान का तो बहुत खराब ही हाल है. अभी सफाई कर रहा हूँ.
और प्रशासन की तरफ से क्या क्या मदद मिला है आपको?
कल 2 लीटर पानी मिला था और 1 ब्रेड मिला था और 1 बिस्किट का पैकेट मिला था, वही मिला था, कुछ नहीं मिला अभी तक.
अभी तो सुबह से थोड़ा बारिश बंद है, इसी वजह से आपके यहाँ का जो वाटर लॉगिंग है थोड़ा कम हुआ है. और क्या लगता है, अगर लगातार बारिश हुआ तो फिर भी आपकी दुकान में पानी घुसने का चांसेस वगैरह?
अभी बारिश होगा तो फिर से पानी आएगा, घुसेगा ही अंदर.
घर में कौन कौन है? घर में आपके पानी भरा है?
घर में मम्मी है, मेरा बीवी है और बच्चा भी है. अभी तो
Alright, so Anamika, as you get us ground reports from Guwahati to get us what the situation is like currently. There are agencies who are working round the clock to help those affected and marooned by the rains across the northeastern states. Roads have been destroyed, national highways have been damaged, and there are villages that are still isolated. Rescue teams are having a challenging time currently to ensure people are brought to safety. More rains are looming, that's the prediction by the IMD, and officials are fearing that the worst may not be over. Chief ministers of the northeastern states are constantly monitoring the situation. With that, it's time for us to take a short commercial break.